Blade that I'm playing with today is the BPS DBK knife. This thing is a pretty good knife, really. BPS knives do a great job to start with. This one's walnut handle, 1066 high carbon steel, got a very sharp spine, so it scrapes ferro rods and everything very well. Just a really good knife. For 1066, it holds its edge pretty decent, so it's got a decent heat treat, I'm guessing, and straps back really good. Comes with a nice looking sheath, but unfortunately it doesn't hold the knife in very good. The strap needs to be tightened up on it. I can probably do that. It's just going to be a matter of when I get around to wanting to fool with it. But other than that, I absolutely love the knife. It shreds ferro rods, scrapes up fatwood fluff really good, and it's just a really good knife, very comfortable in the hand. I'm just really impressed.